The kingdom was here in the presence of Jesus Christ because he was the king. But he did not set up his kingdom here on earth yet. We are ambassadors of that kingdom because we are citizens of heaven. And we are here to represent heaven. And so we can wear these things today. You know, when you are in an area with a lot of people and you see people dressed differently, you can sometimes identify where they're from. You know, especially if they're in, traditional ethnic dress. You can tell that, a traditional Chinese garment would mark somebody as from that region of the world. Or Mexican, or Honduran, or Congolese would be another one. And tonight you can come out and you can see some of the Congolese dressed in their traditional dress, and you can identify that they are not from here. Well, spiritually, we should be dressed in Jesus Christ. As citizens of his kingdom and as ambassadors here, we are arrayed differently than everybody around us. And everybody around us ought to see us arrayed differently. That was the heart of when Jesus said, you will know them by their love. You'll know my disciples by their love one for another. We are to wear love in such a way that people identify us as followers of Jesus Christ. We are to wear righteousness, who is Jesus Christ, right? We're to wear him. We're to put him on like a garment so that others know that we are followers of Christ, that we're identified as somebody from a different culture. That we don't act like we're from this world. Well, praise the Lord. We tried to drill some of this into some of our kids early on and young. And funny story, one of my kids at one point was thoroughly convinced and was explaining to somebody that she was an alien. She's not of this world. And we had to kind of tell her, you might want to word that slightly different. But praise the Lord, I love the message. And I love that she understood that we are not of this world. We are pilgrims and strangers passing through on our way to be a part of the kingdom. And we are to represent that kingdom here and now as its ambassadors.